Mysterious Dyson spheres could have another explanations according to what scientists are saying. Sorry about my voice. I was talking for 2 hours with a friend. I was very expressive and enthusiastic, and I sort of lost my voice. Now, Dyson spheres have been a tantalizing digression in the hunt for alien intelligence. Just recently, 7 stars have been identified, 7, as potential candidates, with most of their radiation given off in the infrared wavelengths. Potentially, this is a signature of heat from a matrix of spacecraft around the star, but alas, a new paper has another slightly less exciting explanation. Dust obscures galaxies. There are a number of ways to hunt for aliens, and one of them is to look for signs of large-scale projects in space. Enter the Dyson sphere. The idea was first proposed by Freeman Dyson in 1960 to describe what an advanced civilization would position power collectors and even habitats around a star to harness its power. Eventually, such infrastructure would likely surround the entire star, and Dyson reasoned that a signature would be detected, such as an excess of infrared radiation. The findings of Project Hephaestus revealed the 7 M-type stars from a sample of 5 million stars detected by the Gaia telescope. The astrometric satellite has been used to map stars in the Milky Way and has been profound benefit to many pieces of research. Dated from 2 MASS, the 2 Micron All-Sky Survey, the WISE telescope, were also used to identify the stars that seem to display the expected infrared excess. In the recent paper led by author Tong-Jian Ren and team, they explore the findings of the project and delve into the possible nature of the candidate spheres. The team cross-matched the information from data from the Very Large Array Sky Survey and several other radio surveys of the sky. They searched for radio sources within a radius of 10 arcseconds of the Gaia position of the candidates. Note that the full moon is 1,060 arcseconds across. Radio sources were found for these 3 of the candidates, those named A, B, and G. The accuracy of the sources was within 4.9, 0.4, and 5 arcseconds, respectively, and candidate G was found in multiple radio surveys. The conclusion from the team is that the 7 stars are less likely to be Dyson spheres, but instead some sort of extragalactic phenomenon. The most likely explanation is a distant galaxy obscured by dust. The presence of dust would contaminate the infrared energy distribution in the spectra of the 2 objects. The other candidate, candidate B, is also thought to be a distant galaxy, but one that was within very close line of sight of an M-type dwarf star. Very similar to candidates B, A, and B, candidate G has a spectrum that reveals a radio-loud active galactic nuclei with superluminal jets extending out. It's likely that galaxies are distant quasars which emit enormous amounts of radiation, but the obscuring hot dust clouds obscure most radiation except infrared. What of the other 4 candidates? To date, no matching radio source has been found. That does not mean the hot dust obscured galaxy model is not an adequate explanation, but just that possible higher resolution radio surveys are required. Of course, it may also be that they really are spheres of technology around distant stars. As much as I would love that to be true, there's no evidence for this yet. The article was originally published in Universe Today, and this is on Science Alert by Mark Thompson from Universe Today. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.